Today, I'll walk you through how to send videos as normal snaps from your camera roll on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your favorite videos seamlessly, so you can keep your friends updated with your latest moments. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. This is the colorful ghost icon on your device. If you have trouble finding it, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just look for the app that you use to send snaps to your friends. Once you've opened Snapchat, you'll be greeted by the camera page. Now click on the gallery icon. This icon usually looks like a small square or rectangle and is located in the lower left corner of your screen. This action will take you to your photo and video library where all your saved media resides. Next, navigate to your camera roll. This is where all your videos and photos are stored. You might see different folders or albums, but just look for the one labeled camera roll or something similar. It's like opening a drawer to find your favorite memories. Everything you've captured is right there. Now choose the video that you want to send. Scroll through your camera roll until you find the perfect clip. Once you've selected the video, you'll see a preview of it. If it's the one you want, go ahead and click on it. After selecting your video, click on the Send button. This button typically looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to choose whom to send the video to. You can select one or multiple friends from your contact list. It's just like sending a postcard, only this time it's a video postcard. And that's it, you've successfully sent a video as a normal snap from your camera roll on Snapchat. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.